Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is sweet paneer Bhurji. Let's start the recipe. Take half cup shredded paneer. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Instead of sugar, you can add jaggery. Cook until sugar melts. Now add 2 tablespoons of dry coconut powder. Mix well. Add 1/4 cup of milk. Add milk gradually and mix well. Add the remaining milk and mix well. Cook until the paneer absorbs the milk. Add 2 crushed cardamoms. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Instead of milk, you can also use 1/4 cup milk powder. Very delicious sweet paneer bhurji is ready. You can serve like this or you can refrigerate and serve. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. Paneer kheer and 4 milk recipes link is given in the description box. You can see it there. Thanks for watching.